Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to explore how to union two different dictionaries in Python. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to check out this t-shirt I have linked in the description. I make a small commission off of Amazon affiliates, which is just a commission-based affiliate program. And then if you click that link and let's say you don't want the t-shirt but you want to make your normal purchases off Amazon, I also get a commission off that with no extra charge to you. So just in case you want to help out, that'd be greatly appreciated. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about how to put together two different dictionaries and what that looks like. So for this example, I'm going to create two different dictionaries, and I'm going to have A as the first key, and let's do like 10 as the value. Whoops, that's not correct syntax. There we go. And now we have B as the key, and let's do 13 as the value for our first dictionary. Okay. And now let's create our second dictionary. And I am going to copy B, but I'm going to change its value. I'm going to change it to 23. And then let's make a C key in our second dictionary and make its value like 82. So we're going to use the update method for dictionaries. And I just learned about this yesterday, so that's why I'm making a video on it. But the update method, what it does is it takes the first dictionary, and then it updates it with the dictionary that we pass into it. And let's say they both have the same key. So in this example, B is in both. It takes the updated value. So in this case, it's going to take 23 and replace it for 13 because they have the same key. And I'll show you what I mean here in a second. So what we can do is, let's say we want to update the first one. We can do d1.update, and then we pass in the dictionary that we want to update it with. And this will also unionize the two dictionaries as well, as we'll see. And then, so we can see it, let's just print D1 now. So once again, we're updating the first dictionary. You know, we could do it in either order. The only difference that would be is 13 would replace 23 if we did it the other way, right? Because we're updating it with the second dictionary. So 23 is updating 13. So let's go ahead and run this. I'll bring up my terminal, and I don't think we're in the right location. So I think it's programming. There we go. And then Python YouTube dot. Oh, I need to save, don't I, before we run it. There we go. And here you are. As you can see, we have the dictionary. We have A is 10, which is what D1 was. B is 23 because that's what the new updated value is. And you can see we also unionized C on the first dictionary now. It is now union of the two because we added C to D1 as that dictionary. Now, I saw another question where maybe we don't want to update it in a current dictionary. Maybe we want to put it in a new one. There's a way we can do that. So let me actually just kill that whole line. And let's create a new dictionary called D3, and that's going to be the union of D1 and D2. So let's do kind of what we did last time, but just in a new variable. So D1 dot copy. So that'll just copy the dictionary to D3. And now we can do D3 dot update D2. Whoops, D2. And instead of printing D1, let's print D3. And actually, yeah, let's print D1 before it so we can show you that that one is now not changed. Because that might be the case. You might want to preserve the two dictionaries and place it in its own separate variable. So yeah, let's run that. And now you can see that D1 is the same as it is here, right? It's untouched. And now D2, or D3 is its own union variable of D1 and D2. So that's all I got for this video. Hopefully it was informative and not a waste of your time. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.